we stand today like we always dreamed, starting out our life together. The light is in your eyes, love is in our heart.
Hapon po sa inyong lahat. Maraming salamat po sa binigay niyong parangal at pagmamahal kay Uncle Father Roland Almo. Ganoon din po, sa mga kapatid po nila na nandirito, mga pinsan, mga pamangkin po, tsaka mga apo, maraming salamat po sa pagbibigay ninyo ng pagmamahal kay Uncle Father. Binabati po namin kay Uncle sa inyong golden anniversary na sana'y lubos pa ang blessing, bigyan pa ng mahaba-habang buhay na magsilbi bilang pare sa inyong lahat. At mahal na mahal ka namin, Uncle. Yan lang po.
I can't believe you're really mine forever. Been rehearsing for this moment all my life.
Happy anniversary! Not so long ago, this earth was just a field, a cold and lonely space without you. Now everything's alive, now everything's revealed, and the story of my life is all about cold winds blowing through your nights. I will shelter you. I'm forever here to chase your fears away. On this day, I promise forever. On this day, I surrender my heart. Here I stand. Take my hand, and I will honor every word I say on this I've been rehearsing for this moment all my life, so don't act surprised if the feeling starts to carry